Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil.Naik. This is for 10th class. In this today's video, I am going to tell you the arithmetic progressions. This is chapter 5. And one more thing, due to this COVID-19, due to this corona, already we know that the CBSE board had reduced the syllabus, but don't think that the board will reduce the complete chapter. In the all chapters, where I have observed that uh, they have not reduced any complete chapter, just they have reduced some of the unnecessary topics in the all chapters. So in this arithmetic progressions, we can see that only one topic, that is, I will show you that in the arithmetic progressions we can see that some of the first nth terms of an arithmetic progressions, that is sum is only they have reduced. So don't think about that. They will reduce complete chapter. Okay. Okay, students, let us study regarding the arithmetic progressions in today's video. So what is the meaning of the arithmetic progressions? So you may see that in nature also we can see that so many things follow a certain pattern. Some patterns are there. You may see that series are there, means number of the series, and such as the petals of the sunflower, we can see that, and the holes of a honeycomb, and the grains on a maize cob. These are all some of the examples in the nature. So in this today's session, we are going to study regarding the arithmetic progressions and series. All this I'm going to explain you thoroughly, so understand carefully. So let us start that arithmetic progressions. Here I will give example regarding the series. So I will write here one series, for example 2, 6, 10, 14, dash dash dash. Okay, and one more example I will write here, 2, 4, 8, 16, dash dash dash. So this we have to check whether this is in arithmetic progression or not. So how we can check? First, actually we have to see the difference between the first and second, and second and third. So we can observe here between first and second 4 is added. Here 2 plus 4 it becomes 6. Here also 4 is added. 6 plus 4 it becomes 10. Here also we can see that 4 is added. And for these we can say it as A1, A2, A3, A4, like this we can give the numbers. Here also we can see that between 2 and 4 what is the difference? 2 is there. And between 4 and 8 what is the difference? That is 4. And between 8 and 16 we can see that 8. So these are all both are different examples. So what is the first term? Let us see about this. What is the first term for which we will call as a first term? That is A1. First term is called as A1. So what is the common difference? The common difference, that is denoted by D. A, D, this we have to remember. So let us take about this example to find the difference. How we can do this one? D is equals to A2 minus A1. Always we have to subtract from second term to first term, and from third to second, and fourth to third. So to find the difference, A2 minus A1 we have to do. So here already I have written here A1, A2, A3, A4. So you can recognize easily what is which is A1, A2, A3. Not into actually write. To understand this concept, you have to, I have written here. So A2 means how much here? 6 minus A1 how much? 2. So what is the difference we got here? 4 difference. So let us check about the next one, A3 minus A2. So A3 is, we can see here 10, A2 means 6, again the difference is 4. Next one is A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. Here we can see that A4 means 14 and A3 means 10, means 14 minus 10. Again the difference is 4. So we can see here all these are all same, 4, 4, 4. Okay, and in second one, if you do like this only, the same thing, will not get the difference same. I think you have understood this one. So now I'll tell you what is the nth term in this one, or what we will say as the nth term. Because A, D and N, we have to understand the concept, because one formula is there, that is A to the power N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into bracket D. This formula we have to remember. Okay, if we want A2, again we can write here A plus N minus 1 D. Like this you can find A3, A4, all these things. And N means, what is the N here? It is a number of terms, N. And D means this is a common difference. A means first term of an AP. Sir, N, D and A we have to remember. Okay, N means here number of the terms, D means common difference, A means first term of an AP. Already I have showed you how to do this one. Okay, I think I have understood this concept. Let us see about the next one. See students, I have written here two series again, 2, 7, 13, 18, dash dash dash, and here 7, 9, 11, 13, dash dash. So let us see about this one. It's the first one. Here D1 is equal to, means the difference, what we have to do, A2 minus A1. So in this you can write this A1, A2, A3, A4. So here A2 minus A1 means 7 minus 2. The difference is 5. To when you are going to find out the D2, A3 minus A2. So A3 is 13 and A2 is 7. 13 minus 7. So the difference is 6. Again, to find the D3, it will goes continue. You can find the same rule you can apply. But you can observe here, these numbers are not same. So here we can write D1 is not equal to D2. Okay students, D1 is not equal to D2. So we can write that a common difference is not equal. So hence we can write that hence it is not an AP. If the common difference is same, then we can say it as a AP. But the common difference is not same, so the difference is not same in this sequence. So we can say it is not an AP. So like this, observe this one, the second one. Let us see, is it AP or not? Okay. So the numbers are 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay students. In this we can see that, and dash dash dash. So to find D1, same formula, A2 minus A1 So A2 means here second term means 9, A1 means 7, 9 minus 7 we got 2. To find D2, A3 minus A2, A3 means 11 and minus 9 is equal to, we got. So if you are getting the same numbers, then only you can continue. Here I got the different numbers, so not need to continue. So I have left here D3. I have not did. Here I am getting the same numbers, the difference is same. So last one D3 also we can check here. D3 is equals to A4 minus A3, that is 13 minus 11. Again the difference, so we can see here 2, 2, 2, all the differences are same. So what we can write here, therefore all common differences are equal. Sure, they are all equal. So hence it is an AP. So we can say that it is an AP. So I think what is AP and what is not an AP, I think you have understood. Okay students, this we have to follow. Now let us see the exercise 5.1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? See here, they have given here 4 situations. In each of the situations, we have to observe that numbers involved make is it an arithmetic progression? If it is an arithmetic progression, why? Why you can say that it is an arithmetic progression, that we have to do. Okay students, let us see in that first one main. So understand carefully. I am going to explain you this. First one is the taxi fare after each kilometer when fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So the taxi fare is there, that is rupees 15 kilometer for the first kilometer, 15 rupees for the first kilometer, and after each kilometer that fare will be rupees 8. Let us see that how we can solve this one. So students, let us see that in exercise 5.1 first main, in that again sub main question. See here, I will explain you. So the taxi fare is there, okay, that is 15 rupees for first 1 kilometer. So from here to here 1 kilometer and 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 6 kilometer. Okay, and the rule is, the question is in that they have said that 15 rupees for this one, and next after that every 1 kilometer the fare will be 8 rupees. 8 rupees, 8 rupees means they will increase 8 rupees for each kilometer. So let us see that. Here we can say A1 means that is first 15. Now we have to find out the A2. To find out the A2, what is the formula? It is A1 plus D. Here we can write that A1. A1 means 15. D means how much you have to write here? Plus 8. Because we can say here after every 1 kilometer it will increase 8. So 15 plus 8, we will get 23. So we got here A2. Now like this we have to continue. We have to find out the A3. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. A2. What answer we got here? That we have to write. A2 means 23 plus D. D means again we have to write 8. That because common difference is 8 here. 23 plus 8 it becomes 31. Again A4. A3 plus D, we will get A3 means 31 plus 8, it becomes 39. So we got here A1, A2, A3, A4. So all we got here. Now we have to check the difference. Is it same or not? So D is equal to difference A2 minus A1. What is the A2? 23. Sure, we can check there. A2 minus A1. So what is the A2 here? 23 minus A1, 15. What is the difference? You got 8. So next A3 minus A2. A3 how much? 31 minus A2 23. Again the difference is 8. So in first and second both we got, no, like this we can continue A4 minus A3. Again we will get the difference 8. So the differences are same. So what we can say, the common difference is same. Okay, so if the common difference is same, what we can say that hence it is an AP. So we can say it is an AP. So first one, I think, is it clear? Because always we have to understand first one very clearly, then only we can do next one easily. Okay students, now let us go for next question. Here the next question is, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So the amount of air present in a cylinder, this is the regarding cylinder, and 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So let us see how we can do this one. So let us say one cylinder is there. Okay, at A1 is equal to V, you can say, and 1/4 what we have to remove, means you can say this one as a V by 4. So if A1 is V, then what is the A2? It should be V minus V by 4. So it becomes 4V minus V by 4. If we remove 1V from 4V, it will get 3V by 4. This is here. We got here A1 and this is A2. Again for A3, to find A3, 3V by 4 minus 3V by 4 by 4. So here nothing is there, means you can keep 1. Okay, this is whole divided by, here nothing is there, means we can keep 1 because in already you have used this technique in the fractions in the earlier classes. So next step I will write here only. So 3V by 4 minus 3V by 16, means when it will come upside, it becomes 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1 becomes 1 by 4. So that is multiplied by 4. So I got here 16. So I think it is clear. So let us see about the next step. So next step will be 12V minus 3V by 16 is equal to, in 12, if you subtract 3, we will get it will get 9V by 16. Now A3 is equals to 9V by 16. So already we got here A1 is equal to V and A2 is equal to 3V by 4 and A3 is equals to 9V by 16. We got here all this. Now we have to do that D1 means the difference D1 D2. D1 means A2 minus A1. A2 how much? 3V by 4. Here A1 means it is only V. So if you get confused, nothing is there means we can write here 1. Okay. Now we have to subtract. Here 1 is there, here 4 is there. So the LCM is 4. 4 1 za and 1 4 za. So 3V minus 4 into V, it becomes 4V. So if you remove 4V from 3V, what is the answer? We'll get in negative, means minus V by 4. Okay students, now let us see about the D2, then only we can compare. If we'll get any two numbers, the difference, they both are same means we can say it as a arithmetic progression. Let us see D2. It is A3 minus A2. A3 already we have 9V minus 16 minus A2. A2 how much? A2 is there? 3V by 4. So here the LCM is 16 means you have to write. If you don't know, don't get confused, do LCM of 4 and 16 in the rough. So I have written here directly 4 1 za 4 4 za. So 4 4 za it becomes 16 only. 16 1 za we can write here and 4 4 za 16. So 9V into 1 it becomes 9V only minus 3 4 za 12V. See 9 minus 12. What will be the answer? Minus 3V by 16. So is it same? Means is it equal? No, the D1 and D2 are not equal. So since we can write here since D1 is not equal to D2, so it is not an AP. Okay students, I hope you have understood this one. Now let us see about the question number 3 in first main. So next question you can see here, question number 3. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So we can observe here the first question, it is similar to the first question. So let us see how we can do this one, how we can solve. So students, one well is there. Okay, just think that one well. Okay, they have to dig that. Okay, they have to dig that and from here to here, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, we can say. See here, the question is the cost of digging a well after meter, means from here to here, if it is 1 meter. For this one, the cost is rupees 150. Okay, after this, every meter, this also 1 meter from here to here, but the cost of this is rupees 50 for each meter. Here also rupees 50. Rupees 50, 50, 50. We can write. Okay, this is about the question. So in this, very simple. Again, we have to write this A1, A2, A3. Okay, students. And then we have to see the differences. What are the differences? We have to write. So here A1 is equal to 150. Now what is A2? A2 is equal to A1 plus D. Means A1 means 150 plus D means 50. It becomes 200. what will be A3? It is A2 plus D. 200 plus 50. It becomes 250. Like this, A4, A3 plus D, 250 plus 50, it becomes 300. So in this in this question we can see that the common difference it is 50. So if you subtract 300 minus 250, you will get 50. 250 minus 200, again 50. 200 minus 150, again 50. So the common difference is 50. So we can say that therefore it is an AP. It is an AP. Okay, friends, I hope you have understood this one. And next, the question number 4, you can try at home. So this is regarding the arithmetic progression 5.1 first main. In the next video, I am going to continue the question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and comment. Thank you.